Good morning, students. So, today we are going to read the poem The Rain, written by William Henry Davis. Poet has explained about the rain, the view after the rain, so beautiful it seems, and what type of climate is there. All these things are explained in this poem. The theme of the poem is animals and plants. So let's start the poem. I hear leaves drinking rain. I hear rich leaves on top, giving the poor beneath drop after drop. It is a sweet noise to hear these green leaves drinking near. And when the sun comes out, after this rain shall stop, a wondrous light will fill each dark round drop. I hope the sun shines bright. It will be a lovely sight. So, coming back to the first stanza, the poet is telling that I hear leaves drinking rain. It means that when rain comes, the poet hears the voice of that water as if the leaves are drinking it. I hear rich leaves on top. He's telling that leaves on the top are rich. Why? Because the leaves on the top get more rain than the ones below, giving the poor beneath drop after drop. These upper leaves are giving water to the lower leaves drop by drop. You can see that when it is raining, when the rain comes, first it come on the top side, then from the top it come downwards drop by drop and give water to the other leaves that are at the lower side. It is a sweet noise to hear. Now this is the contraction of it is. These green leaves drinking near. Poet is telling that noise is very sweet to hear as if the leaves are drinking water. Leaves are drinking the water of the rain. That noise of the rain is very sweet. Now coming to the second stanza. And when the sun comes out, after this rain shall stop. Poet is telling that when the sun comes out after the rain, when the rain stops, then what happens? The sun comes out and a wondrous light will fill each dark round drop. It is so bright, the light of the sun is so bright and it fills each and every dark side full with light. Each dark round drop, that drops also which seems like in the dark side, in the dark shadow, the drops also seems dark. So poet is telling when the sun comes out, that bright light of the sun, it make that round drop also bright. I hope the sun shines bright. It will be a lovely sight. And the poet is telling that he hopes that the sun shines bright and that sight, that view, sight is view, that view will be very lovely. That after rain, when the sun comes out so brightly and everything assumes as if it is new. So that view is very, very sweet and lovely view. I hope you understand this poem. Thank you very much.